Welcome to Job Service North Dakota's short presentation on how to properly report your earnings and income. This presentation is intended to provide you with an overview of how to correctly report the most common types of earnings and income while claiming unemployment insurance benefits. First, let's talk about why reporting your earnings and income is so important. Misreporting earnings and income can lead to severe and costly consequences. So let's walk through how to correctly report your earnings and income and avoid these consequences. First off, let Job Service know if you completed any kind of work. Each time you complete your weekly certification, you will be asked if you worked during the week you are certifying. If you worked it all that week, answer yes to this question. Work includes a temporary job including part-time or on-call work, even if the work is just a few days to as little as an hour. Any self-employment work. If you worked for cash payment. Remuneration from National Guard or reservist duties. Any paid orientation and training. Full-time or part-time work. And the value of any rent, goods, or services you receive for working. Next, accurately report how much money you earned for the work you completed. If you worked, you must report the total hours worked in the week you are certifying for. And you need to make sure you're reporting the gross amount of earnings. This is the amount before taxes and deductions. It is important to remember that all earnings need to be reported. That includes not just salary and/or wages, but tips, commission, cash, and self-employment income. You must also report any other type of income you received. Other types may include vacation and holiday pay, bonus pay, severance pay, and even jury duty pay. Next, let's go over how to report the most common types of earnings and income. Regular pay. Regular pay includes such pay as hourly, weekly, and monthly pay, including tips and commissions. This needs to be reported in the week in which it was earned, even if you do not receive payment for the wages until a later date. Holiday pay. Report these earnings in the week the holiday occurs. Sick leave, vacation pay, or annual leave. Report it in the week it was taken, or if you are receiving a lump sum payout of accrued time, then report it in the week it was received. Bonus pay. Report bonus pay in the week it was received. Bonus pay examples are a year-end bonus, early completion bonuses, or a Christmas bonus. Commissions. Report the actual gross commission during the week it was earned. Gross is the amount before taxes and deductions. Income from self-employment, including farm or ranch work. Report your net earnings in the week in which it was earned. Net income is the amount left after taxes and other deductions have been withheld. If you are unable to establish the actual amount, estimate the amount by multiplying the wage for which you are willing to work by the number of hours you physically worked in self-employment. Back pay. Report back pay in the week it was intended to cover. If you were required to report for jury duty, report it in the week you participated in jury duty. If you worked for more than one employer in a week, add together the total earnings and hours from all employers. If you're being paid once a month, here's an easy way to convert your monthly earnings into a weekly amount. Start by multiplying the monthly gross paycheck amount by 3. Then divide this number by 13. This will give you your weekly earnings of $276. This is the amount you would enter in the gross amount of earnings field each week you certify. If you did not report earnings for a week or need to change the earnings previously reported, you can change your earnings for the past 3 weeks online through your UI ICE account or by calling Job Service's automated phone system. Job Service reviews the amount of earnings and income you report during your weekly certifications and compares them to the amounts reported by your employers. If these amounts do not match and it's determined you underreported or failed to report your earnings and income, the following may occur. An overpayment of benefits will be established on your claim, which you will be required to repay. If your overpayment amount is not paid back timely, interest will also be added to the overpayment balance. While Job Service is investigating the difference in earnings and income, your benefit payments may be delayed. Failure to report or underreporting earnings and income to obtain benefits may be ruled as unemployment fraud. If fraud is determined, you will be denied benefits for 1 full year, be responsible to repay the overpaid amount plus penalty fees and possible court costs, as well as subject to criminal prosecution. Job Service uses a variety of methods to detect underreported and unreported earnings and income. That is why it is so important to correctly report your earnings and income and avoid the costly consequences of misreporting. If you have any questions or are unsure about how to report your earnings, please review the claimant guide found on jobsnd.com under Unemployment for Individuals or contact the Claims Center at 701-328-4995. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more information on various topics, please check Job Service North Dakota's YouTube channel or visit jobsnd.com.